Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan caravan, where you can learn to draw snowflakes. These beautiful icy flakes look quite complicated, but actually they're quite simple to draw. We're just going to start with a cross. So choose a space on your page and draw one line down and one line across. Now we're going to turn that cross into a star. A good way to do this is to imagine there's a circle all the way round the cross that you've just drawn. Then you need to find the space that's halfway between two ends, about here. And start drawing another straight line from this side of the circle all the way to the other side. Let's try that together. Draw lines straight across this way, and then you can do the same this way. And then you have a kind of star shape. And to turn the star into a snowflake, we're going to add some little straight lines that cut across those star lines, like this. Starting on one end, draw little lines, all the same length, all the way along the line until you get to the middle. And then you can do it on the next line. Go as far as you can. Try not to touch the little lines next door. And just fill all the space from the outside to the inside of your snowflake with all these tiny little lines. Takes a little while, but it's fun. And when you've made one snowflake, you need to make lots and lots more, because you never see one snowflake all by itself. So let's have another go. Draw a cross. Turn it into a star and fill that with lots of tiny lines. Some of the lines could be a little bit longer than others. Every snowflake is different. It's really good fun to have a look at snowflakes through a magnifying glass. They're very beautiful. Now you can cover your whole page in snowflakes. You can draw them like this with a black pencil on white paper, or you could try drawing them with an icy blue colour. Or maybe you could use a white pencil on black paper. Then it looks like it's snowing at night time. Have fun!